Okay guys, I show you BlackMOA's camper conversion kit. This is a modular design which can go from A to B van. If van breaks down, no problem. Take it out within 15 minutes, go to the next van. Or you can use pieces like bed, an extension unit, kitchen, and the self-contained anywhere else as you want. It's a plywood made kit. The total weight of the kit is only 132 kg. Right, you guys, let's have a look how much room do we have in the Panakeia BlackMOA kit. On the sides we have a long space all the way to the end, so on this side as well. And then this is your storage box here. Your kitchen goes here, you have storage underneath here, storage here. This can be a table or a long storage again, same goes here. Storage, other part of the storage, the long one. Then you have the toilet space here. On the other side you have more storage equal to toilet size. And here is your sink for the water bottles. You can access from the outside. If your van has two doors, if it has one door, no problem, you can access from the inside. Yes. Next to it is room for your fridge or microwave, whatever you like. There's heaps of storage in there. Extra shelving space there. A bit more space here. A bit more storage underneath here, which slides out in a tiny kitchen, just like that, in case you want to cook from the side. Beautiful fancy finish with the solid wood. That is your Panakeia kit from Myst Enterprise. It's BlackMOA. So beautiful thing we can do is that we can make customize as per your own desire, your design tomorrow. All you need to tell us is what van do you have, or we can do the measurements, voila. So let's get in touch and design your dream camper van.